Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with GitHub easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL github.com. Press the enter key to load the GitHub homepage. Look for the sign up button at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button. You will be directed to the registration page. Enter your email address in the provided field. Click on the Continue button. Create a password that meets the required criteria. Type your password into the designated field. Click Continue again. Choose a username that will represent you on GitHub. Type your chosen username into the input box. Click Continue to move to the next step. GitHub will ask you to verify your account. Check your email for a verification message from GitHub. Click the verification link in the email. Return to the GitHub registration page. You may be prompted to complete a CAPTCHA. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the CAPTCHA. Click Finish Sign Up to finalize your registration. Congratulations, you are now a registered GitHub user. You can now explore repositories and start collaborating. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.